Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel once again. Welcome back to another video. How are you all doing? I hope you guys are fine. I hope you guys are doing great. Guys, if you are new on this channel, my name is Priscilla. Here we do lifestyle video. Please consider subscribing. Check out my videos. Leave your comments and I'll be glad to reply to them. So guys, it's just kind of a hectic day for me. Things have not really been going well. My son, my second baby, is currently sucking. He has not been feeling too well. He has been sick for some time, like having cough for like 3 weeks now. He has been having cough, so I've been giving him his cough syrup. But on Sunday, the thing took another step, so I had to rush him to the hospital. And when we got there, they were like, after much examination, testing him, one or two things, they said it's a virus related to cold, so it doesn't need any drugs. They say it doesn't need anything, that I should just, they didn't even give me anything in the hospital there. They just told me to always wash his nose with aerosol. They call it aerosol here. I don't know if it's the normal English word. Let me show you guys. This is what I used to wash his nose. This is the carton, then this is the halide. So they sent us home. In fact, since for the past, let me just say, 1 week, he has not been breathing well, always breathing hard, always breathing very hard. And so on Monday I took him to his pediatrician, and when we got there, after she did her own checkup too. So guys, so after the doctor checked him, she was like, okay, that is okay. He said his breath is okay, just that he has catarrh at the back. Like, I don't know whether it's, she just told me at the back. I don't know how to explain it to you guys. Just say he has catarrh at the back, but the front is okay. That's the chest area is okay. So I should be flushing his nose with this aerosol. Then I should give him, I should be flushing his nose with normal syringe and this water, soluble water. Then I should also be using aerosol on him, and she now gave me antibiotics. So since then my baby has not been eating. He has not been feeling too well, always having fever, 39, 40. So and he has not been eating, though he has been taking breast milk, but the doctor said it's okay, that so far he's even taking something. I didn't mean he's not taking anything. That one not the problem, but he's taking something. So he has not been playing. In fact, even me, look at me, I'm so down, so down. I don't know, I'm just so down because I've not been able to, always with him. He does not want anybody to carry him. I'm always with him, I'm always carrying him. So the thing is kind of, what will I do? That's why we are mothers. The Lord is our strength. Even my other son, that one could not go to school because I could not go and drop him. I cannot leave baby with his father, because he himself say, hey, no, if you are going, you go with him, and you know, cold. So that's it. I'm just managing myself for now. Yeah, but I thank God we are okay. That's the most important thing, and I thank God that it is not serious. So guys, yeah, that being said, today I'll be making yam porridge for dinner, so I will take you guys along. Then I ordered something online for my son and his friend. It's just a gift for my son and his friend. So I saw it online and I liked it. This writing pad, this educational pad, is not like, it's not a tablet. It's not a tablet that you can say you are going on YouTube. No, just a pad where you learn something. They've already programmed it, so I bought it for my son and his friend. So it will be arriving today, and I'm going to be doing a little unboxing on it. So yeah, that's it. So guys, I'll be taking you guys along my today's activities. Yeah, so it's just to cook yam porridge and basically nothing else again. So guys, I got this one, this coloring pen. Then I got this coloring book so that it will be busy at home. Then this one is another one. Then this is the writing pad. I got blackboard for children. Blackboard for children. 8 color hand painted magic blackboard. So let's open it and see how it looks like. I got this. I got 2 of these. This is one. This is another one. So I'm giving this one out. So I won't be opening this one. I'm giving it out. So guys, this is this. Wow, this is lovely. This is beautiful. See?
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us.
So all of them will cook together. Let me add little water again. Do you have enough? No, this See as the water just full everywhere. Me? The pot? I go buy pot. I want go this to go buy pot so. I want go supermarket. I mean shopping mall. Go shopping mall, go buy pots. Check, I don't feel more. I've seen it great.
Paint another one.
Right.
You want to do another one?
Our yam is ready.
Yes. It's very fine.
Wow.
Color here. What? Color here. Color here. Go and color here. One color is fine.